Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x plus 1 factorial by x factorial is equals to 13 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So to find n factorial, the formula is n minus 1, n minus 2, so on till 1. Or another formula is n factorial is equals to n times n minus 1 factorial. We can write. So here if we apply this, so we can write x plus 1 factorial as x plus 1 minus 1 factorial by x factorial is equals to 30. So x plus 1, this give x factorial by x factorial is equals to 13. We can eliminate this. So x plus 1 is equals to 13. X is equals to 13 minus 1, which is 12. So the value of x is 12. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.